So today we're making slime. You're gonna start off by dumping one of your glue sticks or one of your glues. Make sure it's Elmer's glue or any type of glue, just liquid. First thing you're gonna wanna add in is your white glue. So first we're gonna dump it in. Just dump it on in there. It could be like Elmer's glue, any type of glue, it just has to be liquid. Next you're gonna wanna grab your shaving cream and just dump it on in there. Yep, just shaving cream. It doesn't matter the brand, just use shaving cream. Next you're gonna wanna choose your two colors. We're gonna choose two, you can choose one if you want. Yeah. I'm using my finger because like it's funner, but if you want you can use a mixing tool.
I'm gonna use red, but you could use any color you would like.
I'm gonna mix.
Oh, Play-Doh is better than slime.
We're gonna use activator.
We're gonna dump a tiny bit of activator inside. My good friend Edward is doing it for me because my hands are kind of dirty. I don't think this is working. Now you're mixing again. And just hoping that it turns into slime. Guys, this is the final product, you guys. It looks really fluffy, really fun. Play with it and don't get slime on your pants or else your mama will kill you. I'm scared.
Girl.
Wait, Gio, can you go to my locker? I need my shorts.
Girl, like you only what time is it, bro? Dayami, you're gonna pass.
Can someone go to my locker, please?